Yes, so how to make your own Miranda drink from the beginning to the very end. Now, for those of you now when it be say una like Miranda drink, orange juice, orange drink, my darlings, this is the best time for you to sit down and watch this video till the very end. Now, my dear brothers and sisters, sure na know say those fruit drinks, orange juice, Miranda one they buy for market, sure na know say many of those drinks are not healthy to our body. Now wetin come dey pay me for body na the fact say our beautiful and wonderful parents say they give this orange juice to our children. Yes, it is not the best. So why not make this orange juice at home? Then una go know say wetin na dey drink or una dey give na children e dey safe. All you need to do na to carry orange carry orange, dice am into small ones, remove the seed, otherwise the drink go bitter. Put am for blend am. When you don blend am finish, come transfer the juice inside the pot. Now after you don transfer am inside this pot, come carry your own powder. It is optional anyways. You see this powder na orange powder, coloring. That coloring na to make sure say the drink orange well. It is optional now. Now come add sugar. Sugar too is also optional. It depends on how you want make the juice taste sweet. Once you don boil everything together, you don mix am together finish, come pour am for inside cup and another water, and your orange juice, your Miranda drink is ready. My dear brothers and sisters, sure na know say school go soon resume now, so this is the perfect time for you to do this. Do am, put am for inside small rubbers, containers, put am for inside fridge. Make una dey drink am, and if una children resume for school, make dem dey carry am go school as part of their snacks. Then you will know that yes, you are taking something, consuming something that is healthy. Health is wealth oh. All these drinks dey cause cancer, liver problem. Now we don reach where we dey go. If na know say na watch this video reach this point, please, the highest you can do for me is for you to share, drop comments, subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Yes, share this video. So many parents, most especially parents, needs to watch this. Health is wealth oh. Okay na, make a waka chop am.